Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. Nous Research has released few world models, or should I say AI simulators. We are still not settled on the names, but the concept behind them is quite interesting. Before I walk you through this concept and tell you all about it, let me discuss something which is not that new. Since the advent of computer science, AI gaming, animation, there have been a lot of efforts to create world models that mimic the human behavior or human worlds. Now, as generative AI is roaring everywhere, and we have another model every day, we have agentic software, we have RAG pipelines, we have so much stuff going on. At the same time, there is another very promising field which is bubbling up a lot is this world model or world simulators powered by AI. Some are even saying that this could be the next big thing in AI. Well, I think yes, maybe, but there are a lot of other things too. Just to give you an idea how much hype there is around these world simulators, one of the startup World Labs has raised 230 million US dollars to just build a large world model. Google's DeepMind, Meta, lot of other companies are also building their own world models. For example, OpenAI's video generator Sora is also working on a world simulator. These world models take inspiration from the mental models of the world that humans develop naturally. The thing is that our brains take the abstract representation from all the five senses, and then we perceive the understanding of the world around us, and then we build our mental models long before AI adopted the phrase. This actually reminds me of Charlie Munger, who was one of the best investors of all time. He was companion of Warren Buffett. He also used to say that he had these mental models which he used to take investment decisions. So mental models are not new. Now these world models or AI models, AI world models, what they are trying to do, they are trying to build those mental models so they could act like us. Now, if you look at the screen in front of you, you will see that Nous Research has come up with these sort of four world simulators. If I click on World Sim, this is a imaginary terminal interface where social agents are interacting with each other. You can connect it with your GitHub. Now, if you click on this God and Ascertain, this is primarily mimicking two very famous Twitter accounts who have million of followers. And then there's Doom Scroll. This is still not out yet. And then if you look at this T, this goes with some sort of autonomy blockchain sort of thing where it is maintaining the confidentiality, integrity, and attestation. And that is where people think that these crypto blockchain might have now a real world use case with the help of these world models where we need to do this identity which should be idempotent. So Now's Research has built these simulators. They look all good and beautiful, but the problem is that it is still a pain in the back to run them. For instance, this is a Now's Flash Agent repo, which you can see looks quite barren. They have this agent here, which if you try to run, first doesn't run and is full of bugs. You also have to set this environment where you have to put OpenAI's API key, Open Router API key, both are paid option. And even if you have seen any world simulator in action, you might know that it could get really expensive very soon, maybe hundreds of dollars, even maybe more. You also have to attach your wallet, I think MetaMask or something like that from crypto. I'm not sure. I haven't tried and I'm not going to try because this is not something for the common people, I believe. I think maybe some scientific research, but I really don't think it is that impressive at all. Now, I already have covered a lot of world simulators, interactive world model on my channel. Just search with world model and you will see that still a lot of companies are trying them, a lot of companies are building them, but it is nowhere to be mature, or I don't think so it is ready for production and for the common world usage. And same goes for these simulators from Now's Research. Maybe a curated one might work, maybe this world sim which is a bit older, but other than that I don't think so it is impressive at all. Now Let me know your thoughts on it. Very, very keen to see if you have been playing around with world simulators, if there is any world simulator which you think has really passed the tests and it has come out of the labs. Very keen to try it out. But don't ask me to, attach it to some MetaMask or some Ethereum or some, um, you know, whatever that blockchain is. I'm not going to attach it. Nothing against blockchain, but I don't think so that at this point in time we should be spending our coins on these sort of experiments. But if there is a mature one, happy to try it out. So let me know. Good effort, but I think still a lab project. Let me know your thoughts on it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.